So I'm quickly going to make up some of my clear whey here. I've got the orange and mango flavour. I wanted to make it something a bit more interesting today, so I've grabbed, I have had it on its own and it's very, very nice, like a squash. But what I've done, I've got banana I want to get rid of. So I've got half a banana in here, some ice. I've also got some Greek yoghurts that I also need to get rid of as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make kind of like a creamsicle kind of yoghurt drink with the, I think this is, with the whey. So see how that turns out, like a creamy drink instead. I do quite like doing that. It kind of tastes like a Starbucks rip-off. But there's that there. There's the information of the whey itself. It's really, really nice. It's very refreshing. So I'm just going to mix all this up in my Ninja. Really do recommend a Ninja. Fab little machines. And pour it over ice and see what it looks like. Well, I've tasted it and it's good. It's kind of like a creamsicle. It's very hard to describe. It's kind of like, it's similar to ice cream. It's really good. So I'm going to be doing that going forward because that was really delicious. And it bumps up the protein a bit. It now has 25 grams of protein in it for a drink, which is great. And it's got obviously extra fibre in it from that banana I threw in there as well. Yeah, just fantastic. Really recommend it. This is on its own, it's delicious. But with that in it, absolutely delicious as well.